Hey guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So recently Myntra पे चल रहा था Myntra's birthday sale and मैंने काफ़ी सारे t-shirts purchase किए हैं, not just from this sale but also from the recent sale that they had around Valentine's Day. I've collected quite a few t-shirts which I wanted to share with you all because I feel like summers are almost here and t-shirts are like just so easy to style, so easy breezy to wear. घर पे पहन सकते हो, बाहर जा रहे तो पहन सकते हो, मतलब except your like date nights and those like very formal occasions, t-shirts can really be pulled off like anywhere. आप कहीं पे भी पहन के जा सकते हो. So I felt कि yeah, it's gonna be a fun video to do because I wanted to share all these amazing t-shirts with you guys. All of them are like very good quality, very comfortable to wear, easy to style and also very reasonable. So I'm gonna be linking all of these t-shirts in the description box below and yeah, it's gonna be a try on haul this time because last year भी मैंने एक huge t-shirts haul किया था आप लोगों के लिए, वो भी मैं नीचे लिंक कर दूंगी, लेकिन उसमें मैंने आप लोगों को ट्राई ऑन करके नहीं दिखाया था. तो सम ऑफ यू हैड टोल्ड मी कि ट्राई करके भी दिखा देते दीदी. सो हियर आई एम, ट्राई करके आप लोगों को दिखा दूंगी इस टाइम. So yeah, I think that's all about the intro. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, the first t-shirt that I have for today's video is this one from this brand called Here and Now. Okay, this is what the t-shirt looks like. It's so pretty, so cool and so funky, and right now the frame looks very black, I think, but yeah, black is one of my favorite colors when it comes to like outfits and I love this t-shirt. Okay, so you basically have like a skull, एक skull का face है and वहाँ पे एक bow tie hairband kind of a situation and नीचे लिखा है you say which like it's a bad thing. So I think it's a very cool quote also, and the graphic also is really cute, and this yellow contrast with the black base is also like coming out like in a very quirky manner. So मुझे तो पहले ही नज़र में ये टी-शर्ट बहुत amazing लगा था. इसका MRP है 899 but right now it's available on Myntra for only rupees 269. And guys, I feel really bad while saying this, but जब मैंने इसको purchase किया था, I got it for only rupees 209. So I think it's gonna be an amazing t-shirt. नीचे link रहेगा. In case you guys are interested, do check it out. Alright, the next t-shirt that I have is from this brand called Fab Flea. एक छोटा सा confusion है, which is that the brand name which is mentioned in the t-shirt is Metronaut, which was a pretty famous brand, and Metronaut से मैंने पहले भी कुछ jackets वगैरह लिए थे. I have no idea कि why the Myntra page says Fab Flea while the outfit says Metronaut. To clarify your doubt, but अभी फिलहाल Myntra पे अगर आपको ये product लेना है तो Fab Flea brand के अंदर ही आपको मिलेगा. So this basically is this beautiful, it's not really like a hot pink, dark pink color and light pink भी नहीं है. It's this very beautiful like Barbie pink color. इसको fuchsia भी नहीं बोल सकते. I don't know what exactly is this shade, but it's a beautiful shade. And इसके ऊपर जो graphic है वो है fire mess, and नीचे I can see this girl who's wearing this very cool purple color sneakers and like yellow pants and lavender or purple color like sweatshirt. So really cool. Now this is a pure cotton t-shirt. It's very comfortable to wear. Like this is a kind of t-shirt जो आप बाहर पहनो and the moment you feel कि नहीं अभी ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा worn out लग रहा है या कुछ, आप घर पे पहन सकते हो. घर पे भी comfortable रहेगा and बाहर it will make you look like really cool and stylish. Especially I think if you're going for like a shopping day out or like a coffee date, you can just easily wear this. It's like a no-brainer. Style करने के लिए बहुत easy है. Now this particular t-shirt, as per the description of Myntra, it's a oversized t-shirt. Okay, and whenever a t-shirt is oversized, what I have observed from Myntra, Bewakoof as well as Soul Store, मुझे oversized category में ना extra small या small भी आ जाता है. So accordingly I went ahead with the small size for this because ये oversized था and as per the measurements मुझे small size आ जाना चाहिए था, but ये थोड़ा सा fitting है मुझे, especially in the waist and the bust area. Otherwise I think it fits me nicely like on my arms and everything. So I think अगर आप ये ले रहे हो and you want to buy this because it's oversized, don't go for the size which you usually would go because it's oversized. आपको size up करना चाहिए to get the perfect fit. Now coming to the price, this one is for 1599 which is the MRP, but I got it for rupees 299, which is again under 300 rupees, and worked out as a brilliant deal for me. Very, very comfortable, like I said, and super easy to style and very, very stylish at the same time. It will link niche, so do check it out. Now, the next t-shirt that I have is probably my most favorite one of today's video. This t-shirt is from this brand called Nautica, which I really, really admire this brand, and I feel like they make some of the best t-shirts out there. So this is a very basic t-shirt, but I love it. Like I said, it's my most favorite tee of this video. This is what it looks like. Nautica, established 1983. It's so minimal yet so classy. Like, can you imagine wearing this with like a black jeans or a light blue jeans or a navy blue jeans? You can legit pull this off with anything, even with like a white pair of trousers. Okay, and it's brilliant. It's super, super soft, and I am just waiting to wear it and style it. I love this t-shirt. Okay, it's super, super comfortable as well. Now, coming to the price, this one is for 11.99, which is the MRP, but you will get it for rupees 455 at this point, which I think is even more than 50% of sale, which I think is great, because Nautica is a very, very, very well-known brand when it comes to like t-shirts, right? Much more renowned than even Here and Now and Fabfleet, which I had shown you. So Nautica का ये particular t-shirt नीचे link रहेगा. Do check it out. Alright, next up, the t-shirt that I have is also a very, very cost-effective one. This is what the t-shirt looks like. This is also an oversized t-shirt, and guys, I can assure you कि ये बहुत बहुत सॉफ्ट एक टी शर्ट है. दिस वन इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड रोडस्टर, जो कि एक बहुत ही लाइक पॉपुलर ब्रांड है मिंत्रा पे फॉर लाइक टी शर्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो बहुत बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. लाइक यू कैन सी इट्स वेरी, वेरी लाइक ओवरसाइज. आई हैव पिक्ड दिस अप इन द साइज मीडियम में ही ये बहुत ज्यादा ओवरसाइज है मेरे लिए. सो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर टी शर्ट आई थिंक यू कैन साइज डाउन वन साइज. जैसे आप लेते हो ओवरसाइज के लिए, उसे एक साइज छोटा ले सकते हो, बिकॉज मेरे लिए थोड़ा ज्यादा ही ओवरसाइज है. बट बिकॉज इट्स दैट ओवरसाइज, व्हाट आई डू इज आई usually wear this and I go off to sleep. Like it's become one of those like favorite sleepwear kind of a t-shirt, which I just love pairing up with any of my shorts or pajamas, and I like to go off to sleep in this one because it's really, really cozy. Pure cotton का है, बहुत soft है, and because oversized है ना, तो summer में बहुत ऐसे flowy and breezy भी लगता है, which I really, really enjoy. Now this particular t-shirt, I think the MRP is 999 and you will get it for rupees 339 right now. Now guys, the prices that I'm quoting, not the MRPs, but the prices, the offer prices that I'm quoting right now are obviously dynamic and they are like subject to change. So please don't come at me if the prices change. I will of course link the t-shirts niche. So basically the offer prices give you an idea कि approximately कौन से price पे आपको ये t-shirts मिल सकते हैं. But like I mentioned, these prices are dynamic and they are subject to change. And अगर थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो, थोड़ा बहुत change हो, please don't come at me. But I'm just trying to show you some amazing comfy t-shirts. Also doing a try on this time because last time नहीं किया. Alright guys, the second last t-shirt for today's video happens to be this one. Now this also is sort of like an oversized t-shirt. It's from the brand Here and Now again. So इसका basically जो front part है वो पूरा red है, and पीछे जो है the graphic part is there. पीछे लिखा है sandy toes and sun kissed nose. So I think it's a very nice oversized comfy t-shirt जो आप घर में पहन सकते हो like as your lounge wear, or you can like wear it out to the beach with a pair of shorts. And बहुत ही oversized है, comfortable है, pure cotton का है, so you can sort of pair it with like a denim skirt or like a jeans as well. Now इसका MRP है rupees 1099 and I'm so sorry to say this, but I had got it for rupees 286 when I had purchased it. Right now there is no offer on this. It's for its MRP only, which is 1099. I understand that it's frustrating guys, but please understand that this is a very good t-shirt and I wanted to share it with you regardless, because I feel like कभी ना कभी इस पे offer आएगा ही आएगा future में, because it's a very good t-shirt and the brand also is good, which runs very good offers, which is Here and Now. So कभी ना कभी इस पे offer आएगा ही, तो आप इसको wishlist करके रख सकते हो, and ये वीडियो तो मेरा रहेगा ही मेरे चैनल पे. So yeah, I just wanted to share this t-shirt with you. And now let's move on to the final t-shirt for today's video. Alright guys, the last t-shirt for today's video is yet another oversized t-shirt. Now this one is from this brand called Cook and Keech, which happens to be one of my favorite brands from Myntra when it comes to like t-shirts. Now this is what the t-shirt looks like. It's in this beautiful gray color and it's super comfortable, super cozy. Now this I've picked up in the size XL, which was a huge mistake because ये भी oversized t-shirt था and I should have definitely picked it up in the size small या फिर medium. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया है मेरे लिए. But nevertheless I will try and I don't know, either like tight around my waist or maybe I'll go to the tailor and get it fitted for me because this, like I said, is super oversized for me. But then ये बहुत comfortable रहेगा घर पे पहनने के लिए and बाहर मैं अगर पहनूँ तो इसको थोड़ा सा tight bottom के साथ मैं pair up कर सकती हूँ. Let me figure that out in my styling game. Yeah, that's the issue, but I think it's a very good t-shirt if you buy it in the right size for yourself. Now, coming to the price, this one I think is priced at $11.99. That is the MRP. And right now, again, there is no sale on this one. I'm really sorry to you guys for that, but when I had picked it up, I got it for rupees 275. So I will agree that I got a great sale on this, but right now इस पे कोई discount नहीं है. So let's just hope कि आप इसको wish list में रखोगे and जब भी कोई sale आएगा, you will definitely purchase it because it's a very good t-shirt. Like I said, if you buy it in the right size, you can look at this. It's super soft. I can't make you feel the t-shirt, but you can, I think, make out कि कितना ज़्यादा soft and comfortable है body पे. It's really nice. That's all for today's video, you guys. Those were all the t-shirts that I've purchased from Myntra recently. All of them will be linked in the description box below. Let me know which one was your favorite t-shirt from this haul. And क्योंकि मैंने इस बार try on haul किया था, as per your request, I really hope कि आपको वो भी अच्छा लगा. In case आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा, helpful लगा, please don't forget to like it, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.